Hey guys, Mr. Hubble 100 here again. I'm not making a Nerf video right now because I want to show you what my dog reacts to when he sees a flashlight. So this is his big butt. And so, Onyx, look at this. Look at this flashlight. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. How about this? How about that? How about this? How about that? This, that, this, that, this, that, this, that, this. This, 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 this.
See anything. Stop. You can't see anything. All you can see is the dog's head. You can see nothing else. You can't see any of the activity. Rewind it and redo it.
Okay, Onyx, that's enough. So that's my dog chasing a flashlight. Onyx, look at this. Look at. You see, you're only focused on this flashlight. You do know that, Onyx? Alright, this is Mr. Hubble 100 here, signing out.